Hey, hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper box, and it's really easy. It's like a 2-minute paper box. So first thing you're going to need is a paper, which could be A4 size. And you're also going to need scissors. Now, anything which is easier for you, you could either use a glue stick or you could use a stapler. Which one is easier for you? So first of all, we're going to take a paper and we're going to basically cut out this side right here. So the side which is right here, we're going to cut that out because we don't want holes in our box. So as we cut it down this, we also need to make it equal. So what we're going to do is we're going to also cut out this part, this fat part. Okay, so let's cut this fat part out. It doesn't really have to be really exact, because you could also cut it after when you finish your box. So it doesn't have to be exact, like, see these lines right here? So it doesn't really have to be exact. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to, either you could fold your paper in half if you feel comfortable with that. So we're going to fold our paper in half. That. And as I told you, it doesn't have to be like really accurate, so you could just cut out the sides now. Okay. Now we're going to start the basic thing. So we're going to take our paper and we're going to cut it out from here. So we're going to cut out till a stop. So like if I start from here, I could just cut it out like till this line right here. So till this line right here, I'll just stop right here. Then I do the other one, the same thing with the other one. I do it the same way I did the last one. So I'm just going to stop at right this point right here and there. So we have it equal now. Okay. Now we are going to start our part. So I find that a stapler would be easier for me. So I'm just going to use a stapler. If you think that a glue stick would be easier for you, you could use that too. Okay? So first, you're going to fold these into like this. Okay? And then from the other side. Okay. Then you're gonna take this and fold it till where the line is. So if you look closely, I just folded it where the line is till. See right here? Okay? So you're gonna fold it like that, and then you're gonna take these two and make sure that they're also of the same folded area. So there shouldn't be much because that might make your square a little ugly kind of. Then you're gonna take the other side and you're gonna flip this side too like that. Okay? The same way that you did the other one. We're gonna flip this here. And then to hold it, like usually you don't have to, but if you want to, you could fold these sides, just this one, on the back so that when you're making it, you could kind of put it together, because we're gonna make this like that, so you could just put this like on the back. But if you have stapler or glue, that'll be easier. So I'm gonna take this, one of the sides, and I'm just gonna put these two right here. Okay? Then as I have a stapler, I could totally staple it. I'm just gonna hold this, maybe, and then get my stapler, and then I'm just gonna staple it pretty quick. okay? Just one staple would work like good, okay? Then I could fold this over if I want, or I could just make it go like downwards, and then I'm gonna staple this too. Okay, and the same thing we do with the other side. Go like that. Staple it up. Here. And well, I prefer that you use a stapler, because with a stapler you just have to like go here, staple it up, and that's it. But with the glue you like have to glue it all up and then paste it there, and then if it gets out you have to do it again. So I guess that this box will be really great for keeping anything. And I also use this to make a cake, a really cool cake. Like coloring it from the top and then putting smaller and smaller and making a cake. So, and you could also put it in your drawer, or maybe put your erasers and sharpeners in there. And I guess this was really easy for you. And the first thing that I really find good is that there are no like squash fold, mountain fold. It's just so simple. So see you next time. Bye.